Hi, let's talk about ways to be happy. And is it necessary to highlight this topic? Yes, it is important that we talk about this because according to the definition of health that is set in Ayurveda, Prasanna Atma Indriya Manaha is very important. That is, unless and until a person is happy from within, we cannot call him as a healthy person. So that is the significance of selecting this topic, and we'll talk about the factors that lead to unhappiness first, and then we'll come to that factors that lead to happiness. So first factor that leads to human misery is attachment. If we are attached to a person, that means whatever the person does is going to affect us. If the person does things that is in accordance to our thoughts or to our emotions, we are happy. If the person goes against it, we are unhappy. That is, we are bestowing the element of our happiness into the doings of the other person, which shouldn't be the case. And if we are attached to a thing, that means if by some chance we lose it, we are unhappy. So attachment to anything and everything is dangerous, and we shouldn't get attached to a person, to a place, or to a thing. Next one is memory. Good memory is definitely a good thing to have, especially if we have to come up in life. But the bitter part is that memory tends to attach to, again, attachment. Memory tends to cling towards something that is more negative in nature. Negative impressions are more stored in the memory than the positive ones. And the third factor is our day-to-day living or our lifestyle. What we do on a day-to-day basis is going to affect our level of happiness. So the ways to be happy are the opposite of these three, that is detachment. We have to work with a detached state of mind. That means we no longer have expectations and we no longer focus on just the results. We focus on the activity. We focus on rendering our maximum. We focus on doing our best, giving our best. That means this should be the attitude towards our work at office or towards rendering our duties at home. So attachment in any form is a cause of misery, and we have to work with a detached state of mind to have happiness. Second one is we have to be compassionate and generous so that our memory is filled with the positive experiences and in turn with positive thoughts. Third one is we have to follow the dinacharya or the daily routine that is set in Ayurveda, and ritucharya, that is a seasonal routine. And above all, we have to understand that we are not born as an insect, as a fly, as a bird, or as an animal. We are born as a complete human universe, and that we have a powerful soul that is capable of doing many good things in life. We have an intellect that can distinguish between good and bad, between the right and wrong, and we can train our mind, body and senses so that all these five elements work as a unit and that we have a complete healthy life. So the element of happiness is not in a person, in a place, or in a thing. The happiness, the element is within us. We are happy if we are happy with our own selves. So that is the essence of healthy living. That is, happiness is not outside us, it is within us. Thank you.